So many people are thinking about starting a drone business, and one question I get from many people is, what's the best way to start in terms of social media? Now, lots of people tend to think that starting a Facebook page for your company is the best way to start with social media. And in actual fact, that's the last thing you should do. Facebook is not the best way to deal with a drone company. I would recommend starting LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a more professional way for companies and a great way to boost your profile. Start boosting your network. Start getting people around you. Start getting companies, software companies, people in the industry who can help you. That's the best way to start, because you'll get inbound that way. Getting new customers from Facebook is not the best way, because it will never make you that much money. It might make you some money, but not that much. So I would recommend start with LinkedIn. LinkedIn is the best way. We tend to get all our inbound because of LinkedIn as well, which is actually quite nice. And the people around will help you, software, maybe even hardware as well. But I would recommend highly to use LinkedIn. I would say Twitter, no, absolutely not. And Instagram, no. Facebook and Instagram and all that, that's great for showing your auntie that you're doing well with your company and stuff. So, but we never tend to use Facebook for any promotion at all. So, tip for you, LinkedIn, get your network, get companies, boost your network. Globally is so important. Doesn't matter where you are in the world. Your network is the most important thing that you'll ever need. That's your tip for today. If you're starting a drone company, follow the Flyby guys, follow myself on LinkedIn, follow everyone else out there. You won't regret it, trust me. And companies, customers, they will come to you. Right, that's it for today. It's cold here, it's about -17. Forgive me if my nose is running. Yeah. Thanks guys, everyone. Play safe.